Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number uh, 42 and onwards of Surah Al-Maida. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سماعون للكذب أكالون للسحت for fatha open jaws attach with meme will get sipa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Sam ma, then it is 2 counts long. Ru, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Lil, for kasra give e sound, attach with lam, lam will get sipa of tawassut. Ka, for fatha open jaws. The, for kasra give e sound. V for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Ak, Hamza is very sharp. And Kaf is shidda too. Ak, and then it is 2 counts long. Ka, Lu for the circular, let's make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Lis for kasra give E sound attached with Sin. Sin will get sifa of Rakhawa. And it is light and it has Safir. Lis for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with ha, I will get sifa of Rakhawa. Suh and give hums on ta. Because of waqf, you are giving sukoon on ta. When ta is with sukoon, it will get hums. Fa, give hums on fa. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. With fatha, hamza is very sharp, and this ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight for this ikhfa because this is light. Ja, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Oo, for the circle lips. And hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Ka, for fatha open jaws. Fah, give hums in fa. Fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha should be from your throat with hums. Fah and rakhawa. Kum for the circle ellipse. And this is ikhfa shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum bay for fatha open jaws attached. Yeah, this is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasut and ruling it with har. Ow, Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws and make it attach with wow. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. Ra will be light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. And the sound is short and attached with dod. Dod will get sifa of rakhawa and istatala, and it is heavy. Rib Ain from your throat to fatha open jaws attached with noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, but ruling is idhar. Hum for the circle ellipse that attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight to create this ikhfa. Ta is very sharp. For the circle ellipse attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and ain should be from your throat. Riyab for kasra give e sound and make raw light. Attached with dot. Dot will be heavy with istatala and rakhawa. Riyab ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasut, and ruling it with ha. Home for the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Fa, give hums on fa. For fatha open jaws, the sound with fatha will be very short. Lai, this is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lai, yeah. keep ya soft. Your tongue is, your middle part of your tongue is lifting towards your palate to say this ya, but it is not touching. There is a gap in between that is making ya soft. Yeah. Dad is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with the raw. Raw will get sifat the wasat first. For the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ka for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Shay, make it 2 counts long and short because this is lean. Whenever wow, sakina or ya sakina are with the fatha before it, then these are called hurufelin. This is wawlin, this is yalin. So look, there is ya sakina, qablaha maftu. There is ya and there is fatha before it. This is long, 2 counts long, and it is soft. Shay'a, make it 2 counts long. Mad, I will. ومخرج of واو is circling your lips for open jaws. In Hamza is very sharp. Focus to give E sound. Attach it noon. Noon gets the of the wasut and ruling it with ha. Ha from your throat for open jaws. The sound is short. Kam for open jaws. Attach it meme. You will get sip of the wasut and ruling it with ha. Ta for open jaws. The sound of ta is very sharp. Fah for fatha open jaws, give hams in fa first, and then with fatha, it will be attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it should be from your throat. Fahkum for the circle ellipse, and this is ikhfa shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum bay. This is lean, so make it soft, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Hum, ikhfa shafafi, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Will, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Qis, for kasra give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is light, and it has safid. Qis, now Ta is with sukoon because of this work, and this is bringing in what? Qalqala. So, may qalqala on ta. Qis, in Hamza is very sharp. Focus to give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. And this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Now keep noon light, and lafz jilala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now law, make it 2 counts long. Ha, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. You for the circle lips, and for ya. Yeah, middle part of your tongue is lifting up towards your palate, but it is not touching it. So the ya is very soft. You. There is no j sound in it. You. Hib. For kasagib e sound attached. Ba will get shidda. Hib. And then ba is attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. When you are pronouncing ba, there is dhamma, so circle your lips on ba. But as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Moqa. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with qaf. Qaf will be heavy and it will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala is taba'ud. Si for kasra, give e sound. Qeen. Give tawassut on noon. Why? Because of this waqf, we are giving sukoon on noon. This is bringing in tawassut here on noon. And this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is mada arid sukoon. سماعون للكذب أكالون للسحت فإن جاءوك فاحكم بينهم أو أعرض عنهم وإن تعرض فأعرض عنهم فلن يضروك شيئا وإن حكمت فاحكم بينكم بالقسط فاحكم بينهم بالقسط إن الله يحب المقسطين. و ومخرج واو circling your lips for top and jaws the sound is short. Kay kaf is light for top and jaws attached with yeah. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Fa give hums on fa for top and jaws the sound is short with fatha. You yeah is light for the muscle lips and make it short. Hak ha is from your throat. For fatha open jaws attach it kaf. Kaf will get the kaf will be very clear. Shidda sound. Haki, haki. For kasra, give e sound, and with kasra, the sound will be very short. Mu for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for kasra, give e sound. And this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Da for fatha open jaws, the sound is sharp and short. Hu for the circular lips, the sound is short. Muttaw.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah.